Hello everyone and welcome to my channel HR Administ, which is all about human resource. So if you are new to the channel, don't forget to click on subscribe button to get regular updates. So today's topic is the challenges faced by HR department during the pandemic situation, that is the COVID-19. What are the difficulties faced by the HR team? So as we all know that from past 1 year, we all are facing tremendous changes around us because of COVID-19. In fact, few of the companies and the employees and HR team have already adjusted with this situation, but still there are few who are struggling with this unexpected situation that arrived overnight. Yes, that's true. Even our HR members are dealing with the same situation that our employees and our management team are dealing with. That is, they are also having hard time to deal with this sudden change. After all, they are also employees and they are also facing the same level of stress that our employees are facing. Some of these changes are beneficial and exciting to be implemented at early stages, although they have been marked as the future of HR. And apart from benefits, our HRs are also struggling day and night to implement these changes because they were never prepared for this unexpected change. So that's something that is difficult for them to face. Now here is the list of top 7 difficulties faced by HR members during pandemic. The first one is about the well-being of the employees. The recent survey on COVID has declared that the health and well-being of employees has become the major concern for HRs and managers to manage. This is because of the sudden shift in work culture and expectation level from both the ends. It is not mandate for every person to handle sudden changes, that too when it is related to your earnings. So in fact, many families have faced difficulties because of this. The second challenge is about the remote work management, which is not a new concept in the market, but not all companies were following it previously. In fact, before COVID, less than 50% companies used to follow this, and that too for selective work roles and requirements. But now almost all the companies are forcing themselves to remote work culture, which has given birth to uninvited problems for HRs and continuously struggling to fix them. This has also distributed the trust element for certain critical roles in many industries. HR's focus has been shifted from productivity and engagement to immediate responses and diagnosis. There has been rapid change in the policies for every organization. HRs have a lot of work these days on their plate, starting with the drafting of new policies to effectively and timely communicating to the employees, and also to ensure that correct message is passed for every policy in order to maintain the positivism. So this is again the biggest challenge for the HR team. Now again, the biggest challenge with no easy solution for the HR is the communication. In fact, this was always the challenge for HRs, but now it is more like a threat. Channels, tools, information and way of communication are the problems faced by the HRs. Although they are trying their best possible way to cope up with this by having regular connect with the employees, by sharing regular and appropriate information, and also by updating leaders and managers about their subordinates and taking their help. Engaging employees is another difficulty, especially when they are working remotely, and that too in this crisis situation. And top of that, when you already have tons of work on your plate. Another biggest challenge is about managing the employees. The hiring and exit process has become a headache for HRs now. During this crisis, hiring strategies have completely changed and practices to hire the new employees. Similarly, it actually gives a lot of pain now when an HR has to say goodbye to an existing employee by giving a simple reason of this crisis situation. It is simple but yet difficult to say. One of the major concerns why HRs are struggling is due to the lack of swiftness. Many HR teams are not trained and experienced enough to deal with this crisis situation, and this affecting the HR professionals big time. In this situation, it is difficult to respond quickly and promptly, and also there are certain approvals required before making any decision, which ultimately makes the entire process slow. This is because even HRs are also the employees and they need approval for every single step that they follow. Thus, to become more agile in your work, reprioritize the company goals, adjust with the changes and challenges, and to have right communication in right manner in the need of our now. Now, as the companies are planning and implementing changes suiting to COVID situation, they are more likely to continue with these changes post-COVID as well. The earlier you plan, the easier the transition will be after the pandemic. Some of these changes are like remote working culture. The companies are expected to modify their offices with new norms and guidelines as per their location set by the government. The organizations will have to place a higher degree of trust in the integrity and commitment of employees working remotely. This may impact the decision-making structures because of the constraints of video meeting platforms and other constraints. In some ways, work from home may be a blessing. Being able to work from home may help people to balance their professional and personal issues better. It may enable more women and people with disabilities to enter the workforce, and the organizations have to restructure their budgets to reduce cost on certain things like admin expenses, the office space, and miscellaneous expenses that they incur. The key is to get most optimal model based on several parameters such as type of work, security requirements, customer constraints, etc. Thus, all these are not common HR challenges but the challenges that HRs are facing in this crisis situation and how they are dealing with them. If you are also from the HR profession or facing similar challenges, please share your thoughts in the comment section below and have patience and positive approach to overcome this situation. Thanks for watching this video. If you like the content of this video, don't forget to click on like button.